Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to send a contact from data in your email address without any PHP or SQL code. So I will show you. I have a website here and I have installed with Netlify. As you know, Netlify doesn't support any database thing, but how did it done it? So I will go to contact page. To go to contact page, I will give my details here, my email here, and my note here. Like I your note here it is. Now if I click on send, it will show thanks for your submission. Now I will go to my email. Now if I go to my email, I will see a message from FormSpray, new submission form for the fill a contact page. Now as you can see, the message from there has come here. So how did I do it? For that I am using a website called formspray.io. For that I'm going to search for FormSpray, go to formspray.io. Now I will go to this website. Now after that you have to sign in and verify your email. For that you can use two accounts. I'm using two accounts for this one, like two Gmail addresses. You can use like which email address, like if you are using a email address and you are sending the data into another email address, you can use this. If you want to add more, you have to select a premium plan. So I'm using the free plans. For that I'm going to click on new form. I'm going to name it the form test form 1 2 3 4 this form 1 2 3. Okay, now I will select my project, which project I want from, and I will send the data from this email or another email. I will send the data from this email. I click on create form. Now it will see form created successfully. Now after that I will see this if form endpoint is, so I will see link here, so I will copy it. I will just click on this. Now after that I'm giving this data into a so now for that what will I do? I will go to my contact form page of HTML. Now what will I do? I will go to this form. On the form tag I will give out a ID here. Need an ID, my form. Now after that we are going to give it action. On action we are going to paste that link. We just copy it from FormSpray. Now after that when I give it, make sure to type name here, like name, give every name and place all the thing. If you don't give name, it will show you an error. Now after that what you're gonna do, I'm gonna go back to my form here. I will give the name here, corresponding area, my email here, let's give my separate email, this email, and a phone number. I will give a random phone number here, right? Okay, so I'll just type in a random phone number from here. After that I will give you a comment, so I will paste another comment. So in here in the message section I will give something about technology here. Now after that, now I will click on submit. And if I click on submit, I will see this kind of interface. Form should post. So I have forgotten to give something. Thing is, I forgot to give method type post. For that it is not working, so I will give method type post. You should give that, or you will give it this error. Now if you go back and refresh it, I'll give the name here, my name, my email address, my phone number, random number, and that technology thing again. Now if I click on submit now, I will see thanks, the form was submitted successfully. Now if I go to my mail link, then now in my email, now new submission from test form 1 2 3. I will see this kind of interface here. So I will open this mail. As you can see, the thing has come here also. Now as you can see, we see this kind of interface. Thanks, the form was submitted successfully, but we don't want this. We want this kind of like internal, not external. For that, what you're gonna do, we need to create a status bar. For that, I'm gonna refresh the page. We are gonna use a status bar. Okay, so after in the form tag, just create a ID dot status. Sorry, we need a ID, not a class. Hashtag status. Now we're gonna design it in our main.css. Submit CSS code on the form. Okay, it was hard to give it. Okay, now after that I'm gonna give my status variable in my class ID name. On the status bar I will give it a width of 90%. I will give it a max width of 500 pixel. We'll give text align center. Okay, text align center. I'll give padding 10 pixel. Margin 0 auto. Border radius 8 pixel. Now I will give a border radius 8 pixel and padding right of 300 pixel. After that, I'm going to give a status success. That I need two status, one is error status or success status. For that, I'm going to give error status.success. And I'm going to give it background color of RGB, and give it RGB background color. Oh, RGB background color I will give 211, 250 RGB color, and 153. Okay, now I'm going to give it animation. Sorry, I'm going to give it animation of. For animation, we need to use a keyframe for 4 seconds forwards. Now I'll give the status error. To create the status error. Now for that, I'm going to give it background color of RGB, and the background color will be 250, 129, 92. Now after that, I will give it this animation, same animation. I will give it same animation. Now I forgot to give it color white. It's color white. Okay, now after that, I'm going to create the keyframes for the animation. For that, I'm going to give a lot of keyframes. Status. For the status bar, give animation. For that, for 0%, I will create 3, 0%, 90%, and 100%. 90%, and for 100%. Sorry, I forgot to do this. 100%. For every one of them, I will give opacity this one. For this one, I will give this 1. Give it 1. And point difference all. Point difference all. For the second one, I will also do the same. And for the third one, I will give opacity 0. Of 0, and I will give point events none. Okay. Now, after that, we will test it by just giving a text here on the status bar. Let's just give just and. Now I will test it. Okay, now as you can see, it will show this kind of interface. Thanks. Now we are going to use it with the status bar. For that, Construct has provided us the status bar code for JavaScript. So I'm going to go down here and put Ajax. Now I will copy this script code. Okay, copy it. Go to my main.js, like the main.js file. If you don't have a JS file, just create one and paste it. Now in here, you're gonna give your form ID. So my one is the same, my form, but for the status, I can use status because I status. Now what will I do? I will just run it again. Now if I get my full name here and my email address and phone number default, so I'm going to give also a message for this method. Now if I click on submit, I will see thanks for your submission. It will see this content reviews here. What you have to do, you can just move this heading here, or you can just keep it right. Thanks for your submission. Okay, now if I go back to my inbox here, I will see forms with 2 new submission from this form 1 3. Here it is, Minecraft PDF. Now that's not this video. That's how you if you hosted, you don't need to provide any database like that. You just give your offer folder like that. So that's not this video. So bye guys. So don't say bye.